So picture this. We're at the Gliding Barnacles Surf Festival in Figueira da Foz, Portugal, where the ocean meets art, music, and apparently questionable life choices. Now, somewhere between the live bands, people drinking cold beer, and a generally why not attitude, we decided to buy 10 kilos of fish. That's about 22 pounds for my fellow Americans. Oh, and just to top it off, our culinary chaos, we decided to throw in a crab too for good measure. The grand total, around 100 euros worth of seafood. Because, you know, sometimes life says, don't do it, it's a bad idea. And then your brain replies, well, too late, I already did. So yeah, what do you do with 22 pounds of fish and one slightly judgmental crab? Stick around because we're about to find out. I'm Carter, this is Atypical Vagabond. It's where we're saying yes to bad ideas as they make the best travel stories. So grab a fork, a good sense of humor, and let's go. So one thing that we didn't think about is that we have to gut these fish. We had to clean the crab, and oh my God, it took almost 3 full hours of work. Granted, there was 3 of us, and none of us knew how to clean fish. Okay. So we are going to be doing a crab boil, and we've got all these sardines that we have to eat. So I'm gonna go ahead and have you join me while we cook this and eat the food. So honestly, this is the first time that I've ever cooked crab like fresh like this. So this is a new experience. So like you shouldn't be afraid of doing new things, and you should explore things. And part of like the whole adventure in travel is the journey. So I've taken off the carapace and I've taken off the legs here, and we are getting ready to boil them. And they're going to be boiled for 10 minutes, right, guys? Okay. It's okay to talk also. So. you can join me in with this video. So we got this in here, and we're going to be cooking these for 10 minutes. Okay, and what we're doing here is just to get this cleaned off really good, and then we are going to go into cooking this in the pan.
So right there is like little bits of the crab meat that are on the body. So this is gonna be for like our pasta, right? Yes, spaghetti.
Ooh yeah. Okay, so this is my partner in crime, Serena. She's helping out with the crab and just doing help with some of the video here. But we've been doing the cleaning of the fish and everything, and we're about to go into making the pasta dish. And hey, there's Tay. Hello. Say hey, Tay. Hello. All right, so Tay has graced us to do this at his place. He's been a fantastic host, and he's been one of like the greatest people that I've met here in Portugal recently. Well, and Serena also. Not to diminish that either, but you know, like it's great to like make friends while you're abroad and traveling, and new experiences. You know, and like having friendships and building friendships abroad is a part of the journey. So I'm glad that I could actually share a little bit of, you know, some of the stuff that we're doing, but some of the friendships that I'm making here in Portugal.
So we are going to prepare a spaghetti with crab. We are going to prepare the sauce. So a little bit of tomatoes, 2 pieces of onion, of garlic.
Oh man, that garlic smells good. It's quite aromatic.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make the pasta. I'm gonna show you how the pasta is gonna be made. But so often as Americans, we make pasta incorrectly. So the great thing, we have Serena here who is Italian, and she's gonna show us exactly how to do pasta right.
Hello everybody, I'm Serena. Nice to meet you all. So to cook spaghetti, we need a pot almost full of water. We have to wait for the water to boil. For an amount of water like this, we need just this much of salt that goes to the water, and then we need almost 80 grams of pasta each for a meal. So then we put the spaghetti in the water like this. In few seconds, the part in the water will be soft enough to bend the spaghetti. So remember, don't break the spaghetti. So we need to be patient, and they will fit in a pot. We don't need a larger pot, because then the water will be a lot. We need a lot of time for the water to boil. So a pot like this, it's enough. You see, spaghetti are getting soft, and now they can fit almost all in the water. Okay. Like this. Now the thing to do now is to check the cooking time in the package. Usually you need to cook it like 1 minute less than what it says, because otherwise it will be too soft and it will melt on your fork. So we are going to set a timer, and in the meantime we are going to prepare the sauce with the crab. Real timer. How much does it say?
Okay, so I know I could tell you exactly what we're going to be putting in here, but let's have Serena tell us what we have.
Okay, so now we are going to wait for the oil to be hot. Then we are going to put 2 pieces of garlic. a few tomatoes, and you can put also some carrot, but it's optional. So we are going to wait few minutes for the tomatoes to be soft, and then we are going to add the crab. Okay, so I can start with the garlic, tomatoes, and carrot.
Oh, can you smell this, guys? Oh man.
To add now some spices. I choose.
Wait, hold on. So now we're gonna add some spices, right?
Yes. I choose a Portuguese spice that is piri piri and smoked paprika. Fresh part we took from the main body, and this is the half cooked part we took from the legs. The crab needs us few minutes to cook. Okay, this time we can add some water. We can add some water and let it rest for a few minutes. Then the garlic can go out, so it's not too heavy. So I kept it like the whole body of the garlic, so I can easily take it off. So we are almost done. Pasta is almost cooked, but for the last minutes, it will be cooked with the sauce. So it will take all the flavor of the crab.
So since this wasn't cooked all the way, like the pasta wasn't all cooked all the way, the crab will like take up some of the taste in the spaghetti, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that was the important part of not overcooking the spaghetti.
Yes.
And I know that you all like on YouTube here are not able to smell this, but oh my, the garlic, the crab, and everything smells amazing, doesn't it, guys?
Yes, it smells so good. So this is the final result. If you like, you can add like just a bit of tomato sauce to make it more saucy. And so, bon appetit!
Oh my God, this is so good. Serena did a fantastic job on this pasta. This is amazing. So if you really enjoyed this adventure of us like going out, buying 10 kilos of fish, gutting it, making the pasta, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and hit the bell for more notifications to see more of these type of adventures. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one.